Welcome to Attendance Keeper. Today, we'll guide you through the process of adding a new employee in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Employees section on the left-hand sidebar and click the Add New Employee button. In this step, enter the employee's basic details such as first name, last name, and phone number. Select the employee type, such as full-time, part-time, or contract. Choose the appropriate work log option, department, and upload a facial recognition image either from files or by capturing with the camera. When you're ready, you can click Save and Add Employee to quickly add another employee or continue to next step to add more details about the current employee. In the second step, you'll be asked to provide additional employee details such as date of birth, marital status, and address. You can also add emergency contact details including name, relation, phone number, and address. If necessary, upload supporting documents like the employee's CV or contract papers. When you're done, click Save and continue to move on to the final step. In the final step, you can enter document information, such as the employee's passport, national ID, driving license, or biometric residence permit. For each document, enter the number, issued date, and expiry date, and upload images for the front and back, if available. Once everything is completed, click Save to finalize the employee details, or skip if you wish to complete the process without adding documents. And that's it! You've successfully added a new employee to Attendance Keeper. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other features like attendance tracking, payroll, and project management. See you next time.